Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All our warehouse locations accept EBT cards. Costco adheres to all state laws regarding what can be purchased with EBT cards. For a complete list of products that qualify for purchase with the EBT card, please contact your state agency.
Take our lead.
To receive access to Prime Pantry and Amazon Fresh Selection or to pay using SNAP EBT, simply add a valid SNAP EBT card issued by a participating state to your account as a payment method. For more information and a list of eligible states based on government guidelines, please visit www.amazon.com/snap.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.